Hi everyone, it's Melissa with the Cordial Cherry, and today I'm going to show you how I make my sweet little football cordial cherries. Here we go. So we actually start out with a little piece of rolled fondant, and we're going to smush that on two sides of a dipped cordial cherry, and that's how we get that quintessential football shape. So obviously cherries aren't typically shaped like football, so we're going to have to do some modifying of the shape. Then it's just time to dip the cherry in chocolate. And you can see it's starting to look more and more like a football just by changing the shape of the cherry. Now it's time to come in with just some white chocolate to create the little threads. So we're just piping this in. And there you go. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.